Want to know why I'm so relaxed? I have someone who looks after my house and me, whether I'm at home or not. Someone who sounds the alarm in the event of a break-in, fire, or even water leaks. BURG-Protect is the connected alarm and smart home system from Burg-Wachter. Radio sensors monitor doors and windows, while motion detectors monitor entire rooms. Should there be a fire, smoke detectors immediately trigger an alarm throughout the house. Water sensors even detect a leak, such as from the washing machine. The best thing is, I operate it all simply using the BURG-Protect app, completely without cost. Even when I'm not at home, I always know whether everything is okay at the house. In the app, I can also switch the alarm on and off. However, this can also be done without a smartphone, using a PIN code on the radio keypad. Red means the house is now secure. Or I use the remote control. In an emergency, I can also use this to call for help at any time with the SOS key. You can easily install and program BURG-Protect yourself. Simply scan the barcode on any device with the app. Everything is connected to the central device by radio. By the way, manipulation protection immediately triggers an alarm if burglars tamper with the system, or if they try to use an interfering transmitter. If the power fails, emergency electricity batteries provide for security. And the central device then also sends an alarm to the smartphone via SIM card if the normal internet connection is disrupted. Radio sockets are controlled by the app, so burglars never know if someone is there or not. Those who build the most secure safes also know best how to protect an entire house. BURG-Protect by Burg-Wachter.